Okay, so let's see how to use Git. Let's say we have our account here in GitHub, and that we have downloaded Git. Okay, and so you have to install Git first of all. Once you installed it, here it is, Git for Windows. You then have to create your GitHub account. You go on github.com and create a new account. I got this one that is called Formazione, and so I have some repository here. And once you get your account, create a new repository. Let's call it, for example, try3. Okay, try3. Once you've done this, you can check this instruction. You can do it in different way, but let's do in one way here. Let's create a folder on your computer. Let's call it try3. Go in the command line or in the git bash that you will find when you install Git, and at this point you get a git init, or before you do git init, let's do echo, and let's write here try3 to create our readme.md. Here should go your instruction. So once you've done this, you see here you created this file, and now you wanna init this folder. So okay, you see here there is a folder almost invisible. You don't have to open it, you don't need to open it. And then you want to make this file here, that if we open it, you will see that in this file okay, here it is. In this file there is just written what I wrote before, and so I wanna push it into my GitHub. And you know, with GitHub you have your files, and you have all your files here. Let's go, and they will be updated in see Formazione try3. They will be updated, and now I'm gonna do git init. I've done it. Now I want to see the status of Git with git status. You see we are on branch master and no commits have been done. Untracked file, there is this readme. Now I want to git add readme.md, or I can write just read add and adopt to add everything. Okay, now let's see git status again. I've made a typo. Git status, you see there is a new file in the staging area, so now I can commit it. So git commit added. Here you will write the message, right? This is very important. Added the readme.md file. So now I'm committing it, and you see one file change it, one insertion, and create mode. Okay, and now let's get the status again to see what happened. On branch master, nothing to commit, working tree clean. So now all my files are in the staging area, they have been committed. So in Git it's all up to date, but if you go into GitHub, you will see that we still don't have nothing. And so now I'm gonna push the files into my GitHub repository. So I'm gonna do git push. Let's see if it works. And give push, and I need to write something here the first time. And okay, I'm gonna do git remote add origin. This is just to the start, and https GitHub. Then you have github.com. Then you have to write your address here of your repository. That in my case is formazione3.git. Okay, now that I've done it, I just have to push my files. Let me push it this way. Then it tells me that I should do this way, but I'm gonna do it this way. Origin master, and now it asks me my username and my password. Okay, now it's writing branch master says up the track remote master from origin. So now it should be all okay. And let's go here. As you see, we see our files finally. There is this with the try free, what we wrote inside of it. And so now we can start working in our directory. So here, if I add something else, I can echo another file, file.txt. Then I let's see the status, git status. As you see, there is a file txt, nothing added, so I have to git add. I could write file.txt, or I could just write a dot. Let's see the status now. You see there is a new file that is added to the staging area, and now I want to commit this file. So git commit. I put a message, added another txt. Okay, now I have committed the file, and if I go to git status, it will tell me that there is nothing to commit, but I must push it, because if you go here and refresh the directory here, the repository, there is no just the same file as before. Now I am pushing it, git push. It will ask me again my passwords. So now it should all work. Let's go inside, let's refresh it, and here is our file, and there is written what I wrote before, another file. So every time I add something or I change something in my directory here, you see these are my local folder, and you see when I push them, first I have to add the new files, commit with the message. Once I commit them, I can push them to my repository, and so I have all my changes saved here. I can get back, create branches, etc. We will see this later, and this is the basic use of Git that is very useful to keep track of your changes and upload them to GitHub, also for collaboration. Thank you.